This is the view from the Sky Bridge at night of downtown Gatlinburg. Is this incredible or what? Check this out. Isn't this beautiful? Love downtown Gatlinburg, especially at night. We're looking at, that's Anarchista over there. There's the Space Needle. Here's some hot rods in the distance. The bridge is a little wobbly on the way back tonight. Got the wobbles going, don't we? Woo! Little creepy.
I do skylines all day long. I ain't doing no shaky things. This part's the worst.
Have fun when you get to the bottom.
I will.
And here we're approaching the glass part where you cross the glass section. This is kind of cool. Really doesn't do much at night because you can't see down. Lose your depth perception. But this is beautiful.
Just no, just that's Olivia. But Olivia's
All right, y'all need to walk backwards for the camera. Come on.
Hey, y'all turn around.
Y'all turn around.
Turn around.
Y'all got to turn around and walk backwards. I got a video going. Y'all can walk backwards. Okay, these are our friends, Jeff and Marsha, and there's Glenda. And we're up on the bridge in downtown Gatlinburg looking at this beautiful view. Isn't that gorgeous? Wow, this is so pretty.
I can make it.
This is amazing. Gatlinburg at night.
Oh, yeah, I see that.
Got the wobbles.
You know, they've got a little landing out there. They actually could have someone playing music and you could step in and listen to music. That would be cool. What are you doing now, Clyde? Don't you drop that phone.
I'm not going to drop it. I got it. I got it. This is just awesome. Worth every nickel if you get to come to the Sky Bridge.